Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have something truly special for you. We're diving into a rare gem in the automotive world, the 2025 Subaru 360, dressed in a pristine white color. This car might not be your typical modern-day powerhouse, but it holds an undeniable charm that deserves a closer look. Let's take it for a spin and see what this classic design has to offer in the present day. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Subaru 360 is a delightful throwback to its roots while blending in some modern touches. The compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving, offering excellent maneuverability even in tight spaces. The white paint job is clean, offering a crisp and timeless look. It might be small in size, but there's something uniquely bold about its round headlights and soft curves, giving it a friendly, almost vintage appearance. The chrome accents on the bumpers and around the grille add a bit of class, and the tiny retro-styled wheels only enhance the nostalgic vibe. Despite being a modern take, Subaru has really embraced that quirky, distinctive look that made the 360 such an iconic car back in the day. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Subaru 360 gives off a retro feel with a modern twist. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by minimalist design elements, with a dashboard that harkens back to the original 360 simplicity. The steering wheel is small, which complements the overall compactness of the cabin. The upholstery, though modernized with more comfortable materials, keeps things simple with a focus on practicality. There's a small infotainment screen in the center, offering the tech you expect in today's vehicles, like Bluetooth connectivity and navigation. It's not the most spacious car on the market, but for a subcompact, it offers a surprising amount of room for its size, making it ideal for solo commutes or short trips. The seats are surprisingly comfortable for a car this size, though you might want to keep your expectations in check when it comes to rear passenger space. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Subaru 360 isn't exactly built for speed, but rather efficiency and fun driving. Powered by a tiny engine, you won't be breaking any speed records here, but that's part of the charm. It's incredibly agile and easy to zip around in, with the lightweight body making it perfect for tight corners and quick accelerations in urban environments. The 360 delivers excellent fuel economy, making it a great choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing the driving experience. While you might not have blistering acceleration, the 360 feels like a go-kart direct, engaging and quite enjoyable for anyone who loves that classic, nimble feeling behind the wheel. Now, let's talk prices. The 2025 Subaru 360 is priced reasonably, especially considering its unique position in the market. With a starting price around $20,000, it's an affordable option for those seeking a retro-inspired car that still feels fresh and modern. Of course, the final price can vary depending on the trim level and any additional features you might choose, but in the grand scheme of things, it's still quite budget-friendly for a car that's both collectible and practical for daily use. When compared to other vehicles in its class, you're getting quite a lot of value for the money, especially if you're into quirky cars with personality. So, that's a quick look at the 2025 Subaru 360. It's a fun, nostalgic, and surprisingly practical car that stands out from the crowd with its unique charm. Whether you're drawn to its retro styling, compact size, or efficient performance, the 360 brings something refreshing to the table. If you're in the market for something that's both a blast to drive and easy on the wallet, this little Subaru could just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. See you next time.